Clint Carvalho, Entertainer of the Year. If you saw Ace Ventura: Pet Detective, you saw Extreme Parrots. Michael Jackson's first encounter with a parrot. Jay Leno says Clint's like having a Ferrari as an opening act. Clint showed the animators how parrots fly for the movie Rio. Jack Sparrow's feathered friend sidekick. Siegfried and Roy say when it comes to exotic birds, Clint's the greatest. On America's Got Talent, Clint performed the greatest stunt ever for animal or human being and received a standing ovation from the judges. Ladies and gentlemen, Clint Carvalho.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel